Here I have myPhone Prime 2, and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by tapping apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you have to choose the personal tab and select the backup and reset. Afterwards, let's choose on backup my data. Let's enable backup my data by using that switcher. Let's go back and let's tap on backup account because you need to set the backup account. As you can see, if you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. The phone is checking info. Let's wait a few seconds. And here you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link or use an existing one. In my case, let me use an existing Google account. Tap next. Let's enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose next right here. If everything went well, you have to accept terms of services and privacy policy. Tap accept. The phone is checking info. So here you can enable or disable automatically backup device data. Let me leave this feature enabled. So for example, Wi-Fi password, call history, app data, all of the following things will be saved on Google Drive automatically. Let me tap next. And basically that's it. You just enable backup my data and not add necessary backup account. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.